Holy crap! Some idiot shaved the kitten's leg and gave him a tattoo. Now, we at inkskill.com love tattoos, but this is just no. Just no. This particular incident happened with a tattoo artist in China. Now, I know what you're thinking. Well, maybe they have a different view of animal rights in China. Well, no. There was an outcry of criticism for what he did, and now the kitten is at a rescue center waiting for a new owner. It's just crazy, dude. And the worst part is, apparently the practice of putting tattoos of animals is far more common than we would like to think. Just a few quick searches and you can find many incidents happen over the last month or year alone. Like this one here in February, where a tattoo shop gave a tattoo to a sphinx cat, which is a hairless cat. Again, the artist came under fire from animal rights activists. And another incident from 2012. Apparently, these types of cats have become victims of this type of treatment quite often, as this blogger from pethelpful.com writes. And here's the process with the cat under anesthesia while it's happening. Sorry, folks, this is about all we're going to show of that because it could be a little bit unnerving. And here we see, unfortunately, they also do with the dogs. What the hell's going on with the world? This particular article lists the obvious reasons why we shouldn't do something like this. Number 1, animals have no choice in the matter. Number 2, there's no doubt about it, getting a tattoo is painful. Number 3, you wouldn't do it to your own baby, why would you do it to your pet? Number 4, unnecessary procedures on your pet are just wrong. New York State and Pennsylvania have become the first states to ban this procedure unless it's performed by a veterinarian or at a veterinarian office. The reason for this is because sometimes veterinarians put tiny tattoos on animals for identification purposes. Obviously, wouldn't go much beyond that. Let's face it, folks, tattoos are for your own body. It shouldn't go beyond that. If you're planning on putting a tattoo on one of your pets, don't. Just don't. If you have a tattoo or if you're planning on getting one, then you should like this video and click on the subscribe button so you can get more tattoo industry news from inkskill.com.